Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to unblock DraftKings Fantasy Sports. So let's start. So I'm here on Sports DraftKings Daily Fantasy, and as you can see, well, you can play here, and you can play on App Store or Google Play Store. Download the app. So here also, if you wanna play it. The other thing that you can do it is by VPN. If you don't have this available in your country, you need a VPN. The VPN will help you to connect to DraftKings Daily Fantasy. How you can get a VPN? Well, I recommend you NordVPN. NordVPN is the best VPN service, online security. And well, if you use NordVPN, you can unlock shows from anywhere, you can play games anywhere or casino anywhere safely. And with our partner link in the description below, you'll get a special discount. The link is always down there, so check it out. Plus this, guys, you will get a 30-day money-back guarantee. What means this? That if you don't like the service, you don't like how it works, we'll return the money to you. Also, in the principal page for NordVPN, you can see all the features that offer you NordVPN and convince you that it is the best option for you. If you like it, you can subscribe on the link below. Now, when you subscribe to this, you can go to login here, and then in login here, you write your email address, your password, and then just click on login. Here on login, just wait a little bit, and this is the principal page. Let's go to the left side, click here on NordVPN, scroll down, and let's go to manual setup. Here on manual setup, you can find that appears the country that you are right now. So if you want to change, just click here and just select the country for playing DraftKings. You can select the place or the country that is available, in this case United States. You find here the NordVPN, and you find here all the past NordVPN that are available on NordVPN. So now just click on set up, set no configuration, and that's it, guys. So that is how it works, guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumb up to this video.